Uncle Manny!
What's up, man?
Man, you know, my favorite day of the week. Once again, back at it. Got the menu popping, I'm sure. Boom, it's your boy Josh X.
Chef Manny.
And we on That Guy Can Cook. This week, what we got, Uncle Manny?
This week, what we're gonna have, it's called vegan stuffed pepper.
Bow.
This is packed with protein
Okay.
and fiber.
Love that.
And it's gonna be done pretty much in 15 minutes.
Okay, well.
We're gonna be using the beautiful Insta
Pot.
right here
Okay.
to do our fillings for the stuffed paper.
All right.
Then we're gonna take the stuffed paper, put it in the oven
we
for
get
50
right to
minutes.
it?
Then we're done.
All right. So this week we got vegan stuffed peppers. Zoom in real quick. Let's show them what we got before we get into this episode of That Guy Can Cook. Boom. So the peppers.
That's beautiful.
The onions, the mushrooms, the organic tomato paste, and we got much more. All right, let's go. Lately, baby, I've been in my Mercedes. My destination, girl, is pointing to you. I can't wait to come on to you. Uncle Manny, so we got this stuffed pepper looking crazy good so far because you got all this fancy stuff. What's the next process? What are we doing?
Okay, the first thing we do, we got sauteed our mushrooms and onions into the Instapot, right?
All right, let's get that going.
And then you add some olive oil.
Smells incredible, by the way. Olive oil, I can smell it sizzling on
Okay.
top.
And then you saute. You got some mushroom here, some creamy mushrooms. We're gonna saute our mushrooms, right?
Okay.
And in this cup here, we got some onions, diced onions, and garlic.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So you're gonna saute this green very nicely. You can bring the camera here.
You show that in that pot. Because I want everybody to see how good this thing looks.
Then we got some beautiful Italian spice. This is organic oregano. You put one teaspoon. Okay. And you got some basil, dry basil. You put 1 teaspoon of dry basil. Now you also put 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Okay. Then you keep stirring them until
Showing that pot, let's come on, let's get that
until
going.
the onions is nice and soft and the mushrooms, right? It's gonna be a very simple and fast fillings to make. It's beautiful stuff.
Smells incredible so far.
Okay, we're gonna put some salt.
Is this my favorite salt?
Exactly.
That's my favorite
That's
salt?
the Trinidadian scorpion sea salt. It's very spicy, but it's a beautiful one.
It kicks.
Okay. Then I'm gonna add a little 1 teaspoon of the kimchi paste.
Okay, we got a teaspoon of the kimchi paste.
Kimchi paste, right?
You stirring up, showing that stir, the colors and the flavors.
Okay.
A lot of flavors in there.
You see this? You see how beautiful this looks, right? It's started real nice, right? Then I'm gonna use half a cup of red wine.
Oh, so I get to get bop and full at the same time.
So you put nice.
This is happening. This is really
to
happening.
deglaze the pan, right?
We're getting bop and full.
So we add half a cup of red wine, right?
You cannot do this if you're in the 21, y'all.
Right? So now when you're done sauteed, you turn your machine off, right?
Okay.
You cancel the sauteed. Press cancel, right?
And now we get to these
So
three
now
things.
you're gonna do to pressure cook.
Why you do it to pressure cook?
Because we're gonna pressure cook all the other ingredients we have now, right?
All right.
So now when you've done that, it's cancel.
Now that's off.
It's off.
All right, now we
So
got
now you're gonna add a can.
a whole full can of organic
diced tomatoes. Always diced tomato, and always trying to use organic, but a tomato that doesn't have any salt because you already have salt. It could be too salty. So you put that in there, right?
This is some good stuff.
Right.
Not only are we cooking, but we are showing you how to cook and eat healthy.
Exactly.
That's the key. Health is wealth.
Okay.
Remember that.
So now, when you do that,
what's this right here?
this is quinoa.
Okay, I thought that was M&M's.
We're gonna add half a cup of quinoa, right?
All right. Quinoa.
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 This is green lentils. Green lentil, I think everybody should have it in the diet.
Green
because
lentil.
it's packed with fiber and protein. We do half a cup of green lentil.
Man.
Then
Half a cup
half a cup
of
of
organic
brown rice. Short grain.
It's smelling good, Uncle Manny. It's smelling good.
Thank you.
It's smelling good. I can't wait to taste
And you
it.
stir it. Then you add 1 cup of water.
Okay.
Right?
1 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
Back to the stir.
Stir everything.
Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Stir it
Well,
up.
you should taste it to make sure that you got enough seasoning.
Okay.
That's good enough.
That's good enough?
That's good enough.
All right, let's go.
Okay, now, after you've done that, you seal.
The crock pot. I mean the instant pot. Oh.
Right?
That thing is sealed.
Then you hit pressure cook.
Again. 20 minutes?
We're going to do it for 15, 20 minutes. Well, we could do it for 20.
All right, so
So
right
now-
now, your pot is ready.
Pot is ready.
You got all the ingredients in there. It's smelling like it's smelling something that's mixed with something. We'll be right back. When we come back, Uncle Manny, I'm telling you, man, if this pepper don't hit, I'm going to let you know. I'm going to let you know.
Please let me know.
I will let you know. We on That Guy Could Cook. Chef Manny killing it. Stuffed peppers. I'll be right back. So we back, Uncle Manny. You got a lot of good smells. We're smelling real good in here. I'm not going to
Thank you.
Smells incredible. What's next?
Next, you see those beautiful bell peppers, right?
Yeah, they look real
Got
good.
nice red, yellow, orange one, right?
I want the red one.
So
My
what we,
favorite color.
yeah, it's nice. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drizzle a little bit olive oil. But first of all, you gotta do, you gotta flip him upside down.
Okay.
You don't want to cook him like this. You want to cook
You want
him
to put them on its belly.
on its belly. Exactly.
Because it's
So
belly
you
pepper.
drizzle a little bit olive oil.
Can I do some?
Yes, good.
Come on, man. I want to get lit. Let me get a bit. I don't want to use all of it because I'm trying to take these ones
Just like
too.
on all of them.
I'm trying to take
Just
this to go
cook
too,
them.
you know what I mean? Got my personal stash. Uncle Man, we covered it with a little drizzle of olive oil.
That's right.
Now what's next, Uncle Man?
Extra. You could use. I'm gonna use the hickory sea salt.
Okay.
But you could use any sea salt that you have available to you.
This is sea salt is incredible. Hickory sea salt.
The hickory smoked sea salt is a good sea salt.
It is. That I must say.
Okay. So now we're done. While we're doing that, we're gonna put this in the oven. Was you could see the Instapot is going. Your filling has been cooked.
So right now we taking the peppers to the oven.
Yeah.
And how long do we gotta wait for this whole shindig?
15 minutes.
15 minutes in the oven?
Yes.
All right, let's take it into the
But
oven.
anyway, if you don't have an Instapot,
Okay.
you could still cook that on the hot stove, right?
Okay, so-
I'm using the Instant Pot because I think it's faster
Okay.
and to bring all the ingredients
Okay.
better. Okay.
All right.
So now we're done. We're gonna put that in the oven.
All right, let's put that in the oven. And we'll be back in 15 minutes. It's your boy Josh Shanks. Chef Manny's getting real fancy with this stuffed pepper. It's That Guy Could Cook. I can't wait to taste this, y'all. I cannot wait. Out the oven. It's looking incredible. I see we got the olive oil drizzled all over. Let's get to this pot thing. Let's see what comes out of here. Zoom in
Okay.
on this bad boy so we can see what's good in
Right
this.
now, you can see
Wow. Wow.
this is the beautiful fillings, right? You see this right here? It's done in 15 minutes, right? Like I said, you could cook that on the stove
incredible.
if you want to, but I'd rather use a slow cooker Instant Pot because it goes faster.
All right.
And as you can see, you can zoom in. This is all our beautiful
I want the red one.
bell peppers. It's done in 15 minutes at 400 degrees in the oven now, right?
Let's go. Let's
And
go.
you see that? You see all your fillings? See how beautiful it is here?
Yeah, that does look really good, Uncle Manny.
Look at that, right?
That filling does look good. Now, does it taste as good as it
It
looks?
tastes very good.
All right, so then stuff me a pepper.
It's packed with protein,
And,
fiber, quinoa, lentil, peas, brown rice, and a bunch of Italian flavors, right?
Bow.
So now, we're going to start doing our peppers. Eh?
Please, just make one
You
so
feel
I
it?
can taste this.
Oh, you want one?
Yeah, just one. Just one nice stuffed pepper. We got a plate. Ooh. Ooh. Stuff me up, stuff me up. Stuff me up, baby, stuff me
This is
up.
beautiful stuff here. You know, we're going to give you a little
Little color.
color
See,
in
I'm
there.
learning the terms, Uncle Manny.
There you go, Josh.
Boom.
It's hot though. Be careful.
Man.
You need a knife or
No, I'm gonna give me a fork. Hold on. Y'all be right back. Zoom on that. Let's see what that thing is made of. Hold on.
Here.
I got one right here. Okay, thank you.
You want a knife?
No. That's all right. All right. You ready?
Yes.
Let's try this.
It's vegan. It's very tasty. It's got the flavors, packed with flavors and spice to it.
Whoa.
I know a lot of people, Josh, always wonder, what can you eat with stuffed peppers, right?
It's got a lot of spice. Not too much salt. Just enough of heat in there. And the rest is for me to go eat. That got good cooked. Oh man, you did it again.
Okay.
The stuffed peppers getting cold, so I gotta get quick with this. Make sure y'all follow our YouTube channel.
Let's go, guys.
That got good cooked. 100. Subscribe to us. Follow us on Instagram. And I'm out of here. Good job.
Enjoy.
I'm not the dude. Okay, I'm kind of rude. I'm a million miles away from home. I can't leave you in that bed alone. Lately, baby, I've been missing you crazy.